Rolling. All right. So here we are. This is our third inspection of these hives. I am half anticipating that we might be full down here and be ready to put on the second deep, but I'm not positive. So grab my handy dandy bee brush, my handy dandy tool, hive tool, and then we have a smoker ready to go. I don't intend on using this, but it's ready just in case we need it if the bees start getting a little bit too agitated. But I'm going to move fairly quickly. I just yesterday replaced their sugar water, so they have plenty of sugar water there. All right, and then this one will be the same way. But what we're going to do, actually, you know what? I am going to put this up here for the moment, and then I'm just going to leave that feeder right on there, just as it is, and we will see a few more of them coming out now that I'm starting to disturb the nest a little bit. Ooh, that's got some weight. I think that's the sugar water, but still. All right, we're going to set that down very gently right there in between. And then, okay, so it looks like, just from, top inspection here real quickly, I'm guessing this one is still empty. This one's probably got some buildup, but not a whole lot. This one is starting to get full, and the rest of these are probably all full, including this one over here. So we're going to start over here real quickly, and we're just going to move pretty quick with this one, because this one, I was correct. There's nothing on that one. That one is still empty. Actually, I'm going to leave that over here on the side so that I've got room to work. And this one, I was incorrect. There is not much buildup at all on that one. So go ahead and slide that back in. All right. Let's see here. Here, actually, if you can, slide around on this side so that you can get the sun when I pull these out. All right, so this one's got a little bit of buildup. Honestly, not as much as I was thinking it would be, but look at that right there. Here, get a close-up of that one right there. Compared to the others, no, is that a drone? Because I'm seeing a couple of them that size. You know what? Maybe I'm wrong there. All right, never mind. All right. So, but this one, third frame over. So we are not putting the deeps on just yet. The other deeps, because this is not full enough yet. Okay. So we're just going to move that and that. All right. So I would be very surprised if the queen was over there, but it just struck me as funny that we had the one with the larger abdomen like that. All right. Come on, honeys. There we go. There we go. All right. So, let's get a close up of this. Let's see. They are starting to put some stuff down in there. All the white stuff is nectar that is capped off. So I'm kind of debating on, should we, well, see, they still haven't built wax on the other three yet, and so I was going to leave the sugar water until they finished putting wax on the ball. Let me see here.
Oh, much bigger than the other ones.
What's that?
I don't know. It's just, if it's just me, it's just me. But those seem much bigger than the other wax.
It's deeper. It looks
Yeah.
like, yeah. I am looking. I am not seeing eggs in those just yet. That's okay. The frame's not full, so I'm not shocked yet. But that is... Actually, that one's got some stuff in it. That egg, maybe eggs, maybe larvae. Anyways, but that's all capped nectar, I believe. All right. Slide this back in. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Come on. Sorry, honey. All right. Guess I find it humorous to call it honey. Okay. So this one. This one's definitely fuller. Okay. Ooh, look at all the pollen on some of these ladies right in there. Look at the pollen on these.
Yeah. Also, I think there's a bee under your thumb.
Oh, is there a bee under my thumb? Oh. Yeah, down there in the little crack there.
Yeah.
Look at here. Look right there. The one that's just buried head in there. I'm not sure what's going on there. It's all still a learning process for me, so I'm still trying to understand exactly what all I'm looking at here. But again, lots of capped nectar up here. That's a lot of capped nectar. I'm hoping that we have less capped nectar and more brood on the next frame. But we're going to turn this around and let's get this side. Get a nice close-up look here. All right, so these are some drone cells that are growing in here. Again, more capped nectar. I'm not seeing the queen, but that doesn't mean anything. She could be there and I'm just blind or not skilled at locating her just yet. Anyways, there we are. Okay, so let's put this back. Okay, slide these frames over just a little bit so I have a little bit more room to work. Okay. And you know what? The reason that was so, that one set of comb was so wide, I probably left the frames a little bit too far apart. That's my guess.
Yeah. Well, I also saw that the thing that was holding the hive was. Ooh. Okay.
What's that? Yeah, see, this is what I was expecting to see, or what I'm hoping to see. See, capped nectar here, but that's a lot of brood in here. And I'm wondering if these are hatched. Because last time, if I remember right, all of these were actually all capped.
Oh,
so
right.
there is a possibility that we have new bees, because it has been a little over 3 weeks. 3.5. So 24 days-ish.
Yeah. Also, your head's blocking most of the light.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's get this side. A nice close-up of that. And again, big drone cell right there. Look at that. And where is... I'm wondering if our queen is right in here because of all the attendants in there. But I'm not seeing her.
I don't know particularly.
I am not seeing her. Again, that doesn't necessarily mean anything. Looking for eggs. And it does look like there's eggs down in there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Found her. Look at the baby right there. Look at that pretty girl right there. Boy, she is easy to spot now that I know that she's all black. Look at that.
Yeah.
Woo, such a pretty girl. All right. Let's get this back in there. All right. Okay, let's get, oops. Come on. Come on. Okay, so we are not ready for deeps on this one, but, woo, look at that. So a little bit of nectar around here, but all of that is about to be bees. That is really exciting.
Oh, most definitely.
Okay. So, and let's get this side real quick. So again, just a little bit of nectar up here in this corner up here, and the rest of that is all brood. Boy, she has been a busy girl.
She has.
That is exciting. Okay. Let's put this back. Okay. Smoker's not hot anymore. Okay, I don't think we need it, but I will get it up and ready before our next hive. Come on. Just as I'm about to put this down in there, I'll run right in front of it. Lost my grip on that one. All right. Here, we'll get this side first. Look at all that. That's exciting. Again, all that's about to be bees. And all that's about to be bees.
That's going to be a lot of bees.
That's a lot of bees. That makes me happy. All right. And we saw the queen!
Yeah, finally found her after, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
How long do queens live again?
Quite a while. I'm actually not positive. But they definitely live longer than the other bees. The other bees, kind of 4 to 5 weeks, 3 to 5 weeks-ish. So a lot of these bees are actually old-timers to this point. The general idea was, oh, look at that. So that's a different color. So I'm thinking some of this in here is actually honey.
Ooh.
Yeah. However, it's food for all these. So this is not the honey that we harvest. This is...
I think, if I remember correctly, we only harvest honey after, we put on another deep and then another one on top of it.
Yes, exactly. Yep. We put on another deep and then we put on a shallow, or the other names for these are the bottom two, so the tall ones like this are brood boxes because of the brood. And then the top one is called the super, or honey super. All right. And then even this one, which is all the way over on the side, has got a fair amount of wax buildup. However, that side is a lot more empty. And what that tells me is that we are not ready for the next super yet, because we're not over 3/4 full.
Yeah.
At least that is what I remember from my class.
I don't know.
All right.
Is there a specific reason why we wait? Or...
Part of what you don't want with bees is giving them too much space. Honey, get off. Can you get off of my tool, please? Thank you, sweetie. All right, let's get... Move these over slowly so that hopefully the bees get out from between them, or between the slats on them. yourself, and you are right in front of their normal exit and entrance. So, just so you're aware.
Sorry.
No worries. So, all right. Not wild about me sliding these, but that's okay. And then last one. In there, and we're just going to do. Okay, now, there's actually quite a few bees that are still in here. You know what I'm going to do real quick? Because I am tired of smashing bees up there.
Gonna get the smoker going again?
I'm going to get the smoker going again real quick.
You know, fair.
And get them off of the edge there.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
What's that?
That's a good idea.
And then put that lid back on.
Yeah.
Okay. This is, you know, not as harder than it needs to be with gloves. So I'm going to take off my glove here. I think it's got too much ash in it at this point. Ash out of the way. And then we'll go real quick. And then I don't know. Part of the trick with this, as I've been doing my research, is get it super, super hot so it gets a nice bed of cold down the bottom, and then it will stay lit. Theoretically. Hear him get angry about that? Get off the top. And more specifically, the edge.
Work on it. Maybe. Didn't crush any that time, I think.
Okay. Now,
There we go.
this on. And then I'll shoo the ladies out of here. Come on. Come on.
Got a friend.
What's that?
I've got a friend.
Yes. Yes,
Sorry.
you do.
Anyway.
They definitely did not like the smoke, but they moved.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come on, ladies. This one right here, it's like I'm full of pollen. The hive's right there. Why can't I go this way, Dad? Come on.
But Dad is right there.
Yeah. Oh. Well, that's warped. Weird. Oh, you know what? The other thing is, it's upside better. Come on. Come on. Come on, lady. Come on. Come on, my love. How'd you go? You are very confused. All right. There. It's not how I wanted to do that, but there we are. Okay. Hive 1 done.
Okay.
All right. You want to do hive 2 or do you want me to do it?
I can do it.
All right. Sounds good.
Kind of been the thing we've been doing so far.
Yes. Yes, it is. All right.
All right.
So, and let's see if we can move faster than I did because I was way too slow. All right. Are you going to try it without gloves?
Yeah, I'm going to try it without gloves because
Okay.
those are a bit large on me. Well, I mean, they're not a bit large. I just have small
They're
hands.
bulky.
I have small hands.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
Okay. And again, we just replaced the sugar water yesterday, so there should be plenty there. Remember to twist that as you lift it a little bit, just in case they built any burr comb onto it.
Yeah, I'm just...
Yep.
you down. Very slowly. Thank you. All right, then.
All right, so I'm going to guess that this one here is empty. So go ahead and pull that one out and see. Let's take a look at that real quick. Okay, and yep. All right, flip it over. Yep, and why don't we just set that one on the side so we have room to work?
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oops, sorry.
This one's basically also empty here.
Okay, sounds good. All right.
And now I think this is where things start to get interesting. And by interesting, I mean not empty.
We should get you some of the surgical gloves.
Yeah, that is an idea.
All right. Okay. Oh, but there is actually some buildup there, and there's some stuff in those.
Yeah, there's
so
some
there's
nectar.
jelly or something in there. All right.
Yeah, like
Well,
uncapped nectar.
Okay. I'm actually going to come around to the other side because the sun is gone anyway, and you're working from this side, so it's easier to go from this side.
Thank you. All right.
Okay.
How are we looking on that side? All right.
Oh, there she is.
Wait,
Look at her right there.
Ooh.
Look at her.
Didn't expect her to find her on the boonies.
Yeah. Woo, what a beauty.
Yeah.
Big black beauty right there. Look at that.
Stunningly pretty queen.
Keep being busy. All right. Here, let me see the other side real quick.
Yeah. Not too interesting, is it?
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Well, let's keep going.
All right.
But found the queen in both hives. That is exciting.
Especially now that we know that she isn't dead. Sorry.
Okay. So we've got, yeah, this one's following similar pattern to the other one. Lots and lots of capped nectar up here, some brood in the middle. All right, let's see the other side. Okay, yep, not terribly far off that. All right. Okay, let's keep moving. Might use the tool just to break it apart just a little bit and then lift it.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do next. Since this is excuse me, girls. Thank you. Excuse me. You need to be right there. Hello, friend. Sorry.
All right. Now turn around the other side. Let's see the other side. Okay, so following very similar pattern to the other one. This is good.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so this is looking like the other hive, which is exciting. And just keep moving very deliberately and slowly, especially without the gloves. I'll push that over just slightly for you.
Hi, friend.
Yep, and just keep moving.
Thank you. Excuse me. Man, they really just glue it down.
Yes, yes, they do.
Excuse me, please.
Woo! Look at that.
Ooh. I don't know what we're oohing at, but
Lots and lots of brood. Look at that.
Okay, now I know what we're oohing at.
Yeah. Now flip around to the other side. Let me see the other side.
All right.
Whew.
Yeah.
All right. Here, flip around, or let's put it back. Let's put it back. Let's get the next one. Look at all the pollen on that beauty right there.
Very hard worker.
Thank you, lady. Appreciate it. Your hard work is really appreciated. Look at all of them. Okay, all right.
Yeah. Things should start calming down from here, but still exciting.
Yes.
Sorry. There's an ant going to check it out, and that ant does not know what it's getting itself into.
Where's the ant? Oh, there, yeah.
All right.
Okay. So again, that's changed color. I think that is all honey. All right. And that looks like it's all brood. That is good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Carnival ride is over, ladies.
I'm just happy they haven't started trying to tell me to fuck off.
Basically.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. So a little bit of wax buildup. All right, turn around. Let me see. Yeah, a lot more wax buildup and some nectar and whatnot. Okay, that's good. All right, let's keep going.
Yeah. Let's just put it down gently. Out of the way.
Ooh. Last time we smushed a bee. That's a... All right, keep going. Okay. And yep, just a little bit of wax buildup, and continue to grow. All right, so both of them are about the same. All right, let's keep going. And actually, we'll go ahead and put that one there, and then we'll about there, and let's slide these back in place. I'll let you do that.
Try fighting them all at once.
Okay. All right, and then throw that other frame in there, and then we're ready to put stuff back on. Actually, you don't have a whole lot of them on the edge, so why don't we just go ahead and put the lid on?
Yeah.
Yep. Of course, just as you... Hang on. Just as you went to put it back on, a whole bunch of them crawled in right there. Let me see. See if there's enough smoke in there to... Nope. There's not enough smoke in there to move them. All right, you're clear. You're clear. Set it down.
Shit. All right.
Yep. Okay. There we go. Okay. And quickly, before they start flying up top, let's get that on. Okay. And the top. The telescoping lid. Again, before we... Because your ladies were a little bit more well behaved when it came to the sugar water up top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got 20 million of them trying to get in.
Okay. Successful 2 hives.
Yeah.
All right. Here, hit that stop button since you're